Hello, lovely people. How are you doing? I hope you're doing very good. Welcome to my channel, Chinaza TV. Thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you to my new subscriber. In case you're seeing my face for the first time and you love what I do, today we are going to be doing a very simple unboxing of this hand mixing. But before we go into that, I want to really appreciate those who has always been there to watch my videos and support the growth of my channel. Thank you all for your lovely comments I get. They are so encouraging. And if you've not subscribed and because of the video you find the content so interesting and you wish to subscribe, do not forget to do so and turn on the bell of notification so that you'll be aware whenever I post new videos. I do more of unboxing videos now, and sometimes I post German immigration videos. Today this hand mixer, it's a Dutch product. It's called Bergner stab mixer, but it's a hand mixer. Then the parts are so simple to use. They're not complicated. They have a vessel and the hand mixer which you can use to grind or blend fruits. It also has an egg whisker and a main vessel that can grind some vegetables like onions, paprika, pepper, or leafy vegetables like spinach or whichever you want to use it for. Okay, you can use this to grind baby food, fruits, vegetables, what do you want to use to bake, okay, or any sweet. Let's say you're making an after dish dessert, you can use this to make it. Okay, now this machine is a manual machine, very easy to use. You plug the grinder, the main machine, into the plug, and then you use it with a little pressure over the food. In case you're using the hand mixer, you can also add water depending on the thickness you are expecting to get or you want, and then with consistent pressure you can get this food blended to your taste, to your choice of consistency. Okay, this machine is 1000 watts. Okay, you can use it to grind a lot of things. Like I said before, there are measurements of things to grind with depending on the machine you are using. There are also times that you need to blend this machine with. In the course of the video, you see me using this machine, okay, to review it, to see if you can be able to give me different consistencies using fruits, using vegetables, and using also baby food that I made. You can see from the video that it was good. It did a great job at grinding, but it was a little bit loud. It was a little bit noisy, maybe because of the time I was using it. This is the afternoon time when everybody was talking. Okay, and this is all I have concerning this video. Okay, in case you love the content and you love this, please don't forget to subscribe like I said before. Thank you, and until my next video, I will see you then. Bye.